Hey, did you know you can wholesale houses from anywhere? I know that might sound crazy because traditionally buying a house through a conventional loan or a realtor or on the market is probably what you're hearing about. But today I'm going to share with you 3 secrets of how to revolutionize real estate investing all online to buy your first investment house or many investment houses for a profit. My name is Raul Balufa and I help people start, get that very first deal, or scale their business all the way up to 5 investment deals per month, all virtually online. Now I know what you're thinking. Raul, I probably need connections for this. I probably need money and credit. Well, I'm gonna share with you why you don't. Now, before we do that, let's go into really quick, what is virtually wholesaling properties? All it is finding a homeowner, finding a seller that's looking to sell their property. You go in there, make them an offer for less than what the house is worth. Once you get that, you send it and you make a profit to find a buyer who's looking to pay more than what you have it for. So for simple math, house 100,000, you get it for 60, sell it to a buyer for 70, make $10,000 profit. It's crazy. So I'm gonna share with you 3 secrets of how you can get your first deal and profit up to $17,000 with an investment property off market. So the first secret is list hacking. How to ethically find 10,000 homeowners who are excited and looking to sell their property for you off market. The big idea here is finding the right sellers, right? The right homeowners. You don't want to spend time talking to homeowners who don't want to sell their property quickly or at a discount. So it all starts with the list hacking, finding the right people who will talk to you and sell you their house at a discount. The second secret is the 10-step sales outline to be able to convert and close 1 out of every 25 or less qualified leads. I know it's a lot of numbers. What this means is following a step-by-step sales system once you talk to these homeowners to be able to get the deepest discounts for yourself, for your own investment properties, to either sell it and make a profit or keep it and rent and do what you like. My third secret is my #1 marketing hack on how to have more motivated seller leads than you can handle within 30 minutes. The main thing to understand here is this is a business of finding sellers and finding homeowners who are looking to sell. Now, that can get expensive, that can get timely, that can cost you a lot of brain damage. But now, if you start getting homeowners to respond to you to, let's say, a text message, now we're onto something. Now, I know what you're thinking. Raul, in this market, people don't sell their house for cheap. They really don't. There's so many options. There's realtors. Why don't they just list it? The tricky thing is that by accident, I created a system that actually finds sellers and closes deals off market all the time at a huge discount. We're doing more than 10 of these every single month all across the nation. So I created an online wholesale mentorship so you can wholesale houses from your home. Raul, what makes this so special? What makes this wholesale mentorship thing you offer so special? Honestly, a lot of the information you can get online and on YouTube and from my own YouTube channel. But the difference is I'm organized everything. I'm giving you all the scripts, all the videos, how-to videos, all of our paperwork. And most importantly, you're gonna have me shoulder to shoulder walking with you every step of the way from A to Z, from when you get that first lead, that first contract, and you buy their first investment property. I'll be with you every step of the way to do that. And I, as your mentor who has flipped over 450 homes before the age of 30, what my job is to narrow down your focus so you can spend the majority of your time on what matters and what makes you money in this business. So what I've done is I created an application page to see if you could be a good fit for the program. And if so, we can get on the phone and chat and talk about any next steps if you'd like. So feel free, if this is something that's for you, click the link below and I look forward to hearing about you and your success on the other side. Peace.